All right, guys. So today I just want to share with you three simple ways you can make a lot of money in 2026. Number one, become an affiliate marketer. What does that mean? That you now begin to promote other people's offers or other people's products, other people's services. You can even use ChatGPT to help you find places that you can sign up to become an affiliate marketer today, right now. How? Just go on ChatGPT, type in your prompt to find for you the top 10 website by which you can be able to sign up to become an affiliate marketer. Then it will pull up for you. Click on those links, sign up today, begin to promote your offers on your page, and then you can start earning today, right now. I know people who make 6 figures, 7 figures just promoting other people's offers. You don't have to create any service. All you need to do is to become an affiliate marketer, helping to market their product, and then you can begin to cash out. So number one, become an affiliate marketer. Number two is for you to become a freelancer. So today, literally, I decided to go on Upwork. And then when you go on Upwork, for those who don't know what Upwork is, it's a freelancing website. So I went over there trying to hire somebody to do a project for me. And I realized that skills like graphic designing, designing terminals, designing t-shirts, and all kinds of things. And people make 10K a month, 20K a month, just being a freelancer. And it's so easy. Some of you watching me right now, you have the skills that you are sitting on it. So just go on Upwork or Fiverr or any other freelancing page that works for you based on your region. And then put yourself out there. Just design your profile and all of that. And then people will pay you money or people will hire you. Today, I went literally on Upwork and I hired somebody for a project and paid $200 instantly. So you can start making easy money right now by becoming a freelancer. Those soft skills that you have, you can monetize it by putting yourself out there. So just go and then start cashing out. Number three is so easy, become a content creator. If you want to make a lot of money in 2026, then start creating content. Once you post it, people will watch it, provided you are helping them, provided you are giving us some values. There's no excuses right now in 2026. You have to lock in right now and start creating content. You don't need any fancy camera. All that you need is your mobile phone, and then you are good to go. I'm heading home right now. I just decided to pick up my phone and then record this video. And I'm going to post it. You don't need anything fancy. You can start right now and start putting yourself out there. Solve other people's problem. Provide solutions to people. Just start right now. You see, some of you are allowing your what ifs to stop you. What if nobody watched my video? Everybody started from zero, and you can also start now. Stop giving excuses. This year, 2026, is going to be good. And now is the time to be able to lock in to make some money. Number one, become an affiliate marketer. Number two, a freelancer. And number three, a content creator. And you can make a lot of money. 6 figures, 7 figures, it's doable. Let's lock in, and I'll see you on the winning side. Have a great day.